Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to activate your channel's membership and set it up. What are memberships? Memberships allow your fans to pay a monthly fee and get access to members-only badges, emojis, and perks. Here are the membership requirements. Your channel must have more than 1,000 subscribers. Your channel is in the YouTube Partner Program. You're over 18 years old. You're in one of the available locations. Your channel has a community tab. Your channel is not set as made for kids. Your channel does not have a significant number of ineligible videos. So those are the basic requirements. So we're going to head over to YouTube Studios. Click Studio. Click Monetization. Here you see 4 tabs: Overview, Ads, Membership, and Supers. We're going to click the Membership tab. Fans can become members of your channel, paying a monthly fee in return for special perks that you offer. So there are some different tabs here. The first one is Set up your membership offer. This is where you can create a single membership level or offer multiple levels and prices. The second one is Upload badges and emojis. The third one is Announce your memberships. And the last one is Post to welcome new members. So we're going to start with Upload badges and emojis. So I'm going to click Start. So you can either upload your own. This is already highlighted, upload my own, or use generic YouTube badges. So I'm going to keep that highlighted because I want to upload my own emojis. Click Select Image. Go to your desktop, and wherever you keep your emoji folder, find it. And you can choose whichever ones you like. I'm going to choose the crown, the credit card. I'm going to choose Love You. I made these in Canva. Let's go to Canva, and I will show you exactly how to make your emojis. Click Create a Design, YouTube Thumbnail, Custom Size. Now for emojis, the custom size need to be 48 by 48. But I'm going to type 480 by 480. That way it can be large enough for me to work with. And then you can shrink it down. So click Create Design. Now click Emoji. And you can type in whatever kind of emoji that you would like. Let's type in money. Click the money bag. Highlight it. Then hit download. Click download. And as you can see, it has downloaded. So we're going to go to the folder Click Downloads. Click Untitled Design. I double clicked on it. So we have it saved. So here are my badges and here are my emojis. The crown, money bag, love it, sweet. So next we're going to click Announce Your Memberships. Click Start. It says tell everyone about your memberships. So this here is just to announce your membership once you've got it all set up. The next one is post to welcome new members. Click Start. It says say hello to your biggest fans. Create a few members only posts in advance that fans will be able to see as soon as they join your channel. These posts show up in the community tab of your channel page. The community tab is a great place to stay in touch with your members and deliver your perks. So I'm going to click Create Community Post. Click Community and post a note to your fans. You can upload an image, take a poll, or add another video. So I went to the Community tab and wrote a thank you. It says, welcome and thanks for joining my members only club. I am thrilled to have this opportunity to work together and get to know you. I look forward to building a lasting relationship based on trust and understanding throughout this process. Cheers to more adventure. Consider this your invitation. Here's my gift. And I added another picture. We're going to go ahead and click Publish. Go up here to Visibility and change Public to All Channel Members. Then click Scheduled. So next we're going to click Set up your membership offer. Click Start. You can choose your template that you want to work with. You can choose 1 level, 3 levels, 4 levels, or start from scratch. We're going to choose 3 levels. The first level is your loyalty badges for $2.99. The second level for $6.99. You're going to get perks from previous levels, early access to new videos, member shoutouts, photos and status updates, and exclusive members only videos. The third level is for $24.99. You will get perks from your previous levels, connecting on social media, and perks unique to your audience. Click Next. So now we're going to click Edit so that we can name our levels. So this level is a priority reply to comments. So we're going to name this level Q&A. Click Done. Now we're going to edit level 2. We need to name it. We're going to name this one Previews and Shoutouts. Click Done. Let's edit level 3. We're going to name this level Let's Connect. And for $24.99, we can connect on social media, or we can connect on members-only chat rooms. Perk description: let's get to know each other on a more personal basis in our own private chat room. Perk instructions: you can add your link right here. So now click Done and Next. So now it's time to submit your draft for review. Scroll down to the bottom. It says, I understand that once my offer is reviewed and approved, I am unable to change prices. To introduce a new price, I can create a new level and/or delete any existing level. Deleting a level will cancel existing memberships at that level. So I'm going to click that. Click Submit for Review. Your perks will be reviewed, usually within 24 hours, and will email you with the results. When everything looks good, you'll be able to turn on memberships. Click the box and submit. And as you can see, it says in review. Next, go to monetization, memberships, and you see now it says it's 100% complete. Click Turn On. You're ready to start welcoming new members to your channel. What happens next? A join button will appear on your video and channel pages. Anyone who clicks it will see your membership offer. So let's check the channel. Click Turn On. So here you have your key analytics with revenue, total members, members gained, and cancellations. Down below you have recent member activities, recent comments by members, recent videos that members joined on. So now, when I click back over to membership, it says approved, done, done, and done. I received an email that says your perks have been approved. Congratulations, you're one step closer to launching membership on your channel and reaching your fans in new and exciting ways.